Hello everyone, welcome back to Cash Classes. So today video is on doing research. How you do research, the process that you undergo during your research. So welcome to Cash Classes, subscribe to my channel. So I am Kashmira Ganji. So today's video is on 5 things that can be important for someone starting a research. So how productively you can do your research, not just in a starting but also in any stage you are in your research, how to better progress in your research. So these 5 things that I'm going to tell you today are going to help you. Firstly, ideas don't always happen on pen and paper. It's not just about you sitting in a room, your research work, doing your literature, studying and reading, writing. No, it's more than that. It might happen during your casual conversations, casual talks with your colleagues, your friends, your juniors, your seniors, your faculty, anyone around your environment, societal. These small conversations will help you to ignite new ideas, come up with a new findings, new solution to a problem. So always have conversations with people around you and read more papers but in a smart way. For doing research, you have to read lots and lots of literature. You have to read papers, you have to come up with certain gaps, but the process that you do is how the pattern that you're following in reading the papers. So, how you are, what are your process, what are your thoughts on understanding your paper, so, how you are trying to grasp a huge amount of information over a vast array of research papers for a particular problem or something in similar. So, the way you are reading your research article is matters. Next is the most important stage, organizing your work. How you are organizing your schedule, how you are organizing your readings, how you are organizing your day to day tasks and short term and long term tasks. So, this will help you to stick to your productive schedule, and that is what will stop you from procrastinating your deadlines. So, organize your research papers, organize your notes, day to day notes, have some diary, have some understanding on what you are reading your paper, and just make a note of it and write ups of your articles, research articles. So, how you are organizing your things in after some 2 years of work, 3 years of your research, 4 5 years of research, this organizing your things will help you a lot. Trust me. And fourth one is keeping an open research mind. So you have in the beginning you have some research idea, you have read some articles, you are working on it, so you don't just confine to that particular, don't keep yourself within the boundaries of those things. Keep an open mind, listen to certain webinars, listen to talks, go to conferences, talk with people, come up, you just keep an open mind to other domains also. What's wrong in that? So in that process what happens is those ideas, those new approaches to the research in that domain might help you with your work. So you could come up with some different solutions, different angles to your solutions, to your problems that you were working on. So always keep an open research mind. And finally, I'm going to say to share your research. So, as a young researcher, sometimes what I meant this sharing your research is you have low visibility in beginning days at least. So, it is important to share your research with public. You write some blogs. So, in 1 week you have read some articles, and this is the work you have done. This is the progress you have seen. Write a blog on it. Write some interesting blog. So, okay, people will know this is the person doing some interesting work on this. So, how should I help him? Or you might get some new questions, new comments, new ideas from discussing with public. So in that way you can improvise your research. So you just tweet about your research publication findings. You post on LinkedIn post, share with your group of LinkedIn connections. They might help you with some new ideas. They might appreciate your work and you will get more visibility of your work actually. So this helps you a lot. So finally, all I'm going to say is research at times will be monotonous. It's just it's going to get more rigor and rigor as you go deeper. So but end of the day you have to learn fun, you have to make it more interesting. It's your internal processing that you are doing, how you are enjoying your work is more important. It's not about how many papers you got accepted or how many best paper awards you get or how many what is the kind of PhD you do, the doctorate degree you get. No, it's more than that, how you are enjoying your progress, how you are working towards your research process. So that is more important. So that's all about today's video. Like the video, subscribe to my channel Cash Classes. Thank you.